How is it possible that you're stuck working 40 to 60 hours a week at your job, and yet so many people can and are working online around the world? How are they earning more in a single month than you're earning in an entire year? And maybe you even went to school to earn that. I'm Bobby Ray, and this is Ken. For so many years, I too worked that 40 plus hour work week. I had been trying so hard to understand and learn how people are working online and how to become part of that online world, but I really didn't know where to look or how to start. I had no experience online, and I had even less knowledge, and always kind of felt like in some way I would never be able to do it. Well, I did find a solution, and it has taught me how to use an automated system that generates profits 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for us. And I'm super excited, guys, to share a little bit of that success with you here today. I made in my first year enough income to be able to take quite a bit of time off from my then job, and we were able to travel with our newly blended family together and enjoy a little bit of life. In my second year, I have been super blessed, and I'm able to stay home comfortably, which really truly is a blessing amidst this pandemic. I freed up enough time for our family and for my relationship, which has really taught us to relax and enjoy a lot more in life, to enjoy the time together and see our dreams and goals come to life. If this is something that you feel you are interested in learning more about, please just simply click to learn more and register and watch the complimentary webinar that has allowed me to change our lives, and you can change yours too.